eet105, Chapter 7, Problem Example 8. For the network in the figure below, first thing, determine R sub t, the total resistance. So you're going to look at this and say, okay, where are we looking at R sub t from? From the load. From the source, the voltage source. So you can see that these two are in series, and then those two in series are in parallel with these two, but these two are in parallel with each other. So we take, starting from the right side, actually they did the block diagram approach here. So R sub t, they're calling this resistance right here, which is R1 in parallel with R2. So that would be 10 parallel with the 15. 10 times 15 divided by 10 plus 15 is 150. So that'd be 150 divided by 25 equals 6. And then R sub t is going to be this block parallel with this block being R3 plus R4. So you do the R3 plus R4 first to get that block. It gives you 12. And we figured out that this block in here was 6. So 6 in parallel with 12 again is 72. It's going to be 6 times 12 divided by 6 plus 12, which is 4. Part B says find I sub s, I1, and I2. Well, IS is easy. It's E divided by RT. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. I1 is the current through this branch here. Not these individual branches, but the whole thing. This branch, I1, is the same as the I1 down here. So that would be E divided by this R, what they called RT prime, which is the 10 parallel with the 16. So that'd be 36 divided by 6. And then I2 is the current through this whole branch. So that would be E, again, because it's parallel with E, divided by R1 plus R3, which is the total resistance through that branch, which would be 36 divided by 12. That would be 3 amps. And then the other way you can double check it, I1 equals IS is coming in, I1 is leaving, I2 is leaving. So I1 equals IS minus I2, 6 minus 3 equals 3. And then part C says find voltage VA. VA is the voltage if you put a multimeter from this point to ground. That's what that means, that VA. So that's going to be, if you stuck a multimeter from here to here, what's it going to read across R4? So that would also be the current going through R4, which is I2, times R4. So it's going to be 3 amps times 2 ohms equals 6 volts.